It is happening right at an open space garage where my bicycle is being fixed up. You can see the fitter working on it strongly to ensure that he made a very good job. Yes, another young boy is working on another bicycle over there. You know. Here is a very young boy giving oil to his bicycle, seeing how best his bicycle can work well. He is working on it, though he don't have the knowledge, but it's like what he have been seeing others doing. He is applying presently. He is working on it to see how best he can reach the level or the result he wants to. But maybe he will get the result, or probably he will miss it when the work is going on. Sometimes I even involved in the job to see how best everything can work well in my bicycle.
Dani, jauh pusing. Okay. Well,